Every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch, who lived just north of Whoville, did not. He stood there on Christmas Eve, hating the Whos, staring down from his cave with a sour Grinch. I must stop Christmas from coming. But how? Then he got an idea. I know just what to do. So he took his dog Max, and he took some black thread, and he tied a big horn on the top of his head.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus, you're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between the two of you, I'd take the seasick crocodile. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch. You're the king of sinful sots. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. Your soul is an appalling dump, overflowing with the most disgraceful rubbish imaginable. Mangled up knots. You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch, with a nauseous super nos. You're a crooked jerky jockey and you drive a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. You're a three-decker sauerkraut and toadstool sandwich with arsenic sauce.
Every Who down in Whoville, the tall and the small, was singing without any presents at all. He hadn't stopped Christmas from coming. It came. Somehow or other, it came just the same. And the Grinch with his Grinch feet, ice cold in the snow, stood puzzling and puzzling. How could it be so? It came without ribbons. It came without tags. It came without packages, boxes, or bags. He puzzled and puzzled till his puzzler was sore. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before. Maybe Christmas, he thought, doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas, perhaps, means a little bit more.
any chance have a right hand of Grinch Club, do you?
We should have bought the $50 pair at the dollar.
I know. Leg snap. Goes face first right there. This isn't what it looks like.
Oh, my camera, whoops.
Jamming the brush against it. It's like vibe. It's like trying to.
Sorry.
It's like going 100 miles an hour down a railroad track trying to paint. I'll be like this, and she's like, bam, 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 bam.
Oh, I'm sorry. He spent the entire time on the dog while I'm painting the
Well,
entire.
I know. I'm trying to get the eyes now. You
Oh,
wait.
I gotta get his arm.
I can't believe they gave me 2 left hands.
I thought you had them all.
I might have been on cold medication. Right?
What's going in there, bud?
I had that light set up perfect.
Sorry.
Fever, sore throat, 9 to none.
I'm grabbing these popcorn chunks. I'm not in the film.
Every week.
He has a habit of walking in frame. Tries to get his 15 seconds of fame.
In my life, and you just got like this 11-minute video going.
Britt will start blowing me up in about 2 hours. Listen to this video, Daddy. Let's video, Daddy. Well, in this weather, your paint will probably dry around Wednesday.
Yeah, I know. That's true. He did so good getting like his body like legit.
It's pretty easy in shape like the last couple of girls I dated.
Make sure you leave that out.
Yeah, I accidentally put the wrong
Yeah.
wrong audio. Does mine have marshmallows? Thank you. Is his tail the same color as his body?
You don't have a tail.
Yeah, he does. Who? No, I'm talking about Max.
Oh,
Scared the shit out of me. I'm like, he doesn't? I go, I carved him.
sorry.
Some of these deer just bought it.
Mine's,
Yeah,
I
that
think mine's
one's
got
probably
vodka
too
in
far,
it.
bud.
What?
That one might be too far. Could you put her table any farther away?
Well, I didn't want it to be in the damn.
I know. I'm
Jesus.
teasing.
Deer runs out in front of me. Oh, yeah. We gotta get the ribbon.
Oh, yeah.
I won't be able to cut it without a usable, opposable thumb.
Huh?
I can't cut it without an opposable thumb.
I wish we had a log. Not a log. Not a log in the sense that you think I said I did.
I thought you dropped a log.